Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. So today I will show you how to include Google Charts into your project, and I'll be going to show you pie chart with dynamic data. So I'll be fetching data from database and displaying it into my pie chart. So I'll be creating a dynamic pie chart. So let's get started. So I have given just heading, that is Google Charts pie chart, and with that I have opened documentation for pie chart. So first one, you can see there is example for pie chart. You can see my daily activities, and there is code for that as well. So in code you can see firstly loader.js is loaded, then there is some static data is passed. So here I'll be passing my dynamic data. So to begin with, let me show you code. So first one is, you can see title Google Charts. Then there is heading, that is H2 Google Charts pie chart. And at last, Bootstrap and jQuery is included. So now let's go and copy the code for the graph, that is pie chart. So in example, you can see there is HTML and body part as well, but I just need the script part. So just copy the script part and paste it after your scripts. So you can see that first one is charts loader.js is included, and after that in script you can see that is first one is load packages, that is core chart package is loaded, and after that there is one callback function that will call draw chart function, and you can see there is function draw chart already present, and this will draw your chart on the given ID. So first one is, you can see array to data table. Here we will be sending our data, and then there is options. So this one is title of the graph, that is my daily activities, you can see in the example. After that there is pie chart, and inside that you can see document.get element by id. So I'll be creating this like a div with id pie chart, and in that div this chart will be created. And you can see last one is chart.draw. This will draw your chart with data and options you have provided. So now let's go and create div with id pie chart. And after creating this id, so now let's go and check in browser. So refresh Google Charts, and you can see that our chart is created, but it's very small in size as compared to our example that is shown here. So now we need to give width and height so it will be visible to you. So in option I need to add width and height. So you can see where options with title. So after that write width and height 500 and let's say 400. Now let's go and check. So it's taking 400 and 500. So now let me just increase more. So write width, let's say 800, and height you can say 600, and now refresh. So now it's visible. So now to move forward, let me show you database first. So I have one table, you can see product master, and there is product name and product percentage. So I'll be displaying this percentage and product name in my pie chart. So for firstly I need to create connection with the database. So let me show you, I have already created one DB connection in which you can see I have connected to my database, that is add more button, and checked one condition if connection is successful. So now I'm going to include this in my index.php. So write include db connection.php. So after this let me write query, select query I'm going to write. So write select star from, and my table name is product master. So write select star from product master where, well, I don't need star, so let's just get only the column, that is product name and product percentage I need. And in where I'm going to take product status equals to unable. So that's going to be my query. Now after that run the query and take that in a variable. So now after this let's fetch our product. So write while, and inside that write result equals to mysql I fetch Ashok, and inside that pass our res variable. So now we are going to take all the product in a array. So take product array, blank array, define one blank array, and now I'm going to, in my while loop, I'm going to insert my elements into this. So now I need my product to be in this format, that is work comma 11. So first one is going to be product name and second is going to be percentage of the product. So firstly I'm going to pass string, that is bracket, square bracket, and then fetch result. First one is product name, so write, after that write comma as a string, then again fetch result, second is product percentage, and last close the square bracket. And after that I'm going to add this into my products array. So let me just split this so you can read it more clearly. Put a comma at the end of square bracket, and now I'm going to use this product into my script. So let's go and do that. So let me just comment all this work. So now I'm going to write PHP here in script and write one for each array. So now in for each write products as products. I don't need it as a key value pair, and just echo products. As I have already created my format above, so I'm just printing it now. So let's go and refresh our browser. So you can see car, bike, sports car. So that's coming now from our database. So you can see bike is having 70 value and it's calculating its own percentage. So it's creating, you can see truck is 14. So it's basically creating its own percentage and that is displaying in this pie chart. So let me show you database. So you can see car is having 30. So that's what we wanted to achieve in this video. So we have created a dynamic pie chart in this video. So let me just show you some other options as well. Right now you can see title is my daily products. So I just want to change it to, let's say, my product. So in options you can change title, that is my products, and save it, and let's go, and also change data, let is products, and it's hour per day, so write percentage here. So let's go and now refresh. So you can see title is changed to my products now. So in this video we have learned about how to create a dynamic pie chart, and in my next video I will show you how to change its color of the slice. You can change ligands and other thing, that is slicing as well. So I'll be showing you all this in my next video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.